@EcoClasses Bhartpar welcomes you. In this channel, you will see explanation and solution of Ncert books. For this, you have to visit channel, then go to playlist and see the chapter you want to read. Today, we will read Textbook of Mathematics for Class 1 Joyful. Chapter 1 Finding the Furry Cat. Let's start Chapter 1 Finding the Furry Cat. Let us sing. Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you sitting on the window sill? Are you sleeping under my bed? Where are you, my furry cat? Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you inside the backpack? Are you outside the red rack? Where are you, my furry cat? Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you scratching the bottom of my jar? Saw you playing at the top of my car? Come to me, my furry cat. Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you hopping above the hat. Saw you hiding below the mat. Here comes my furry cat. Let's repeat the chapter. Chapter 1 Finding the Furry Cat. You can see a cat is jumping into the house through the window. Few children are talking and laughing. You can see a squirrel here eating some grains. You can see birds on the roof. You can see a cow eating the grass. You can see a man sleeping under a tree. It is said, looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. In the second picture, you can see the cat is sitting on the window seat and birds are flying in fear. It is said, are you sitting on the window seat? In the third picture, it is said, are you sleeping under my bed? You can see a boy is searching for the cat, but he finds a red ball under the bed. It is written here, where are you, my furry cat? Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you inside the backpack? Are you outside the red rack? You can see a red rack here. Where are you, my furry cat? Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you scratching the bottom of my jar. You can see the cat is scratching the bottom of the jar or pushing the jar down. Saw you playing at the top of my car. You can see cat is sitting on the top of the red car. Come to me, my furry cat. Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you hopping above the hat. You can see the cat is sitting above the hat. Saw you hiding below the mat. You can see the cat is below the mat. Here comes my furry cat. You can see finally the boy gets his cat. Note to the teacher. Read aloud the poem. Ask children to recite and enact it. Children can look at the pictures and tell what all they see and discuss the things which are above, below, on, under, and so on with the class. Encourage them to talk about the animals that they see around them, like cats, dogs, cows, etc. Look at the pictures of the poem and encircle the correct word. A. The red ball is above, under, on the bed. You know, red ball is under the bed. You can see here, red ball is under the bed. B. The cat is inside, outside, on the car. You know, the cat is on the car. You can see it here. The cat is on the car. C. The man is laying under, inside, on the tree. You know, the man is laying under the tree. You can see it here. D. The cow is inside, top of, outside the house. You know, the cow is outside the house. You can see it here. Think and answer. A. Where do you put your shoes? Inside, outside the room. You know, when you enter the room, you put your shoes outside the room. B. Where do you throw the garbage? Inside, outside the dustbin. You know, you put garbage or throw garbage inside the dustbin. Let us play Find the Things. Children can divide themselves into two teams. One team will hide a few things like white chalk, red ball, and other items and ask the other team to find them. Children can give verbal instructions to find the things using positional words like inside, outside, far, near, above, below, etc. For example, look for a white thing which is hidden near the board and under the table. You can see a white thing that is hidden near the board and under the table. This is chalk. Similarly, look for a red thing which is outside the classroom and under the tree. You can see here a red thing that is outside the classroom and under the tree, or there could be a ball which is of red color and outside the classroom and under a tree. Similarly, there could be other things that is of red color which should be outside the classroom and under the tree. For this activity, there will be two teams. One team will give instructions using positional words and some hints as it is written here to other team so that they can find the thing that has been instructed or hidden. Let us play throw the ball. Each child aims and throws the ball inside the basket. When the ball goes inside, other children will say in, and when it goes outside the basket, they say out. You can see children are throwing the ball one by one. If it gets inside the basket, other children will say in, and if it gets outside the basket, other children will say out. Let us do. A. Take the things which are inside. You can see a basket and flowers inside and outside. You have to tick for the things which are inside. For this, these flowers are inside the basket, so you have to tick it here. Similarly, you can see this girl is inside the car, so you have to tick the things which are inside. Note to the teacher, activity should be conducted in a manner so that all the children are engaged, irrespective of their differential abilities. For example, a ghungru can be attached to the ball and the surface of the basket can be made different from the surface outside in order to get the specific sound when the ball is in or out of the basket. B. Tick the things which are outside. In the first picture, you can see two bears. You have to tick the things which are outside. So, you have to tick it here. In the second picture, you can see few toys are outside the box. So, you have to tick the things which are outside. C. Look at the picture and tick the correct words. 1. A boy is sitting on under the tree. You can see a boy is sitting under the tree. 2. Birds are on under the tree. You can see birds are on the tree. D. Draw a smile below the nose and eyebrows above the eyes. Using a dark color pencil of brown or black color, you have to draw a smile below the nose and eyebrows above the eyes, like this. E. Look at our national flag, which is also known as Tiranga. How many colors are there? You can see in our national flag there are three colors: saffron, white, and green. Saffron at the top, white below it, and green at the bottom. You can see Ashok Chakra in the middle. It has 24 spokes. You can see a man, a woman, and few children are giving salute to the national flag. They may be singing the national anthem. While singing national anthem, you have to be in standing position and facing the Tiranga. Tick the correct option. 1. Which color is at the top of the Tiranga? That is saffron. You can see here. Saffron is at the top. 2. Which color is below the white color on the Tiranga? You can see green color is below the white color. 3. Which color is above the green color on the Tiranga? You can see white color is above the green color. 4. Where is the Ashok Chakra on the Tiranga? You can see Ashok Chakra is in the middle. Note to the teacher. Discuss with children when, where and why do we host the national flag. Let the children express their feelings about the national celebrations. Ask children to make their own Tiranga and sing the national anthem in a standing position facing the Tiranga. Chuk Chuk Goes Our Train. Here a poem is given, heading Chuk Chuk Goes Our Train. Let's sing it. Chuk Chuk goes our train. Over the hills, down the plains. Chuk Chuk goes out train. Bog is before my boggy, bog is after my boggy. Make a chain over the rivers and in the rain. Chuk chuk goes out train. Let's repeat the poem once again. Chuk goes out train. Chuk goes out train. Over the hills and down the plains. Chuk goes out train. Bog is before my boggy, bog is after my boggy. Make a chain over the rivers and in the rain. Chuk goes out train. A. How many bogies are there after engine? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bogies after the engine. B. How many bogies are there before the red bogie? You can see 1, 2. 2 bogies before the red bogie. The answer is 2. C. Fill the orange color in the bogies after the red bogie. You have to fill orange color in the last 2 bogies, that is after the red bogie. Similarly, D. Fill the blue color in the bogies before the red bogie. You have to fill blue color in the 2 bogies after the engine or before the red bogie. You can do it like this. Orange color in the 2 bogies after the red bogie and blue color in the 2 bogies before the red bogie. Like this. Note to the teacher. Ask children to share experiences of their train journey. Children who have never traveled by train may ask questions about the journey. Let there be a discussion on what a train is. Ask them to draw a train on the paper, or they can make a train by using waste materials like used boxes or cans. Let us play. Children will sing the rhyme and play a game where they all will form a train by holding each other's shoulders. Everyone will tell who is before and after each child in the train. Like this. Here goes our train, here goes our train. No one is before me and Mira is after me. That means this girl name is Mira. If this boy name is Ram and this girl name is Sita and this girl name is Geeta, then Mira will sing like this. Here goes our train, here goes our train. Ram is before me and Sita is after me. Similarly, Sita will sing like this. Here goes our train, here goes our train. Mira is before me and Geeta is after me. Similarly, other children will sing like this. Suali and Rohit are making some groups of objects. Suali says, I have put all the pebbles together. like this. Rohit says, I have put all the leaves in one group and the chalk pieces in another group, like this. You know, classification or separation of things make their uses easier. For example, in a grocery shop, you can see biscuits at one place or grouped at one place, chocolates at another, similarly other things such as namkeens, rice, wheat, etc. Similarly, in a library, you can see books have been arranged subject-wise and class-wise. Note to the teacher, let the children do similar activities of sorting the objects like seeds, leaves, beads, etc. Let us do. Suali has placed all the buttons in 3 groups. You can see Suali has grouped these buttons into 3 groups based on the colors. You can see blue color buttons here, red color buttons here, and green color buttons here. You can group the objects based on their color, shape, and size. There are other ways of grouping objects, but for simplicity, I am taking 3 criteria: color, shape, and size. Why did Suali make such groups? You know, making groups or grouping objects make their sorting and usage easier. Help Suali to sort these buttons in other ways by drawing them. You can group them according to their shape and size, like this. Round buttons here, square buttons or rectangular buttons here, and buttons which are neither round nor square or rectangular in shape can be placed here. Round buttons here, square buttons here, and irregular shaped buttons here. Round buttons here, square buttons here, and non-round, non-rectangular or non-square buttons here or irregular buttons here. Project work. Ask children to arrange the cupboard of the classroom. Ask them to put objects using positional vocabulary like put 2 objects in the bottom rack, 1 object in the top rack, etc. For more videos, you can like and subscribe at the rate Eco Classes Bhatpar. Thank you.